Today we're going to be taking a look at how to record a TikTok video without holding the record button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm in the process of making a TikTok tutorials playlist, so be sure to check that out. First thing we're going to do is press the plus button. So instead of normally pressing the record button and holding that down, we have an option. So it looks like a stopwatch just here. We're going to click that. And then at the bottom, if we can see that, it gives you the option to select like how many seconds that you'd like to record. The maximum is 15, and you can change it to any sort of amount that you want. So we're going to keep that at 15 seconds, and I'm going to click the start shooting button, and you can see the countdown. It's beginning and we're now recording, so we can just move it around, all that sort of stuff. Take a look at the keyboard. So that's finished now. All you need to do is either add your effects, select your cover, filters, stickers, add some sound, and then publish. So yeah, that is how you record a TikTok video without holding the button.